Your Majesty, I have recorded the important events in the Royal Chronicles. Very well, close the book now. There are other matters that need my attention. Your Majesty, the kingdom's affairs require careful guidance and strong counsel. Indeed, I entrust you with this responsibility. Be careful, Queen Esther. Haman has risen to absolute power, and he is a dangerous man.
Thank you for the warning, Haggai.
Tonight, we celebrate our successes and the prosperity of the kingdom. Indeed, Haman. Let us enjoy this evening in good company and cheer.
Hi! Come watch!
This notice applies to everyone in the city. Please read carefully. Some instructions go too far. I will follow only what is right. I will remain here at this city gate. I am not afraid. Look at this great city. Everyone must respect my ultimate power. Get down on your knees immediately. Do not look at the leader. Obey the royal rules right now, or you will regret it.
Hurry, my child, bend down. We must follow their orders.
My faith remains strong. Only the Lord above deserves my absolute respect. You old fool! Bow down right now before we punish you! I have already told you, I am a Jewish servant of God.
Who is that stubborn man? Why does he ignore my presence? He has no respect for my great name and title. This simple gatekeeper will pay for his pride. Let us move. I will make sure he regrets this day forever.
I cannot stand that man. He ruins my happiness at the gate. All my gold and honor mean nothing when he stands tall. I will destroy anyone who refuses to obey my commands. Look at how easily I can ruin everything.
See these broken pieces? That is exactly how we will break them.
Tell me your plan. I want to see them completely ruined. He must die. Every single one of his people must perish.
Calm down, my dear husband. There is a much better way. Taking the life of only one gatekeeper is too small. Eliminate his entire race.
Wipe out every single Jew in this vast Persian empire.
Write a dark decree. Present it carefully to our lazy king.
We will make sure absolutely nobody survives this special day. That plan is absolutely brilliant. I will wipe them out completely.
Soon, Susa will belong only to those who obey my rules.
They want to destroy us completely. Even our sweet kids are not safe.
This is indeed a very dark day. We must seek help. A certain group of people live scattered in your lands, ignoring your laws. They are planning to rebel and threaten your royal peace.
Are they really a true threat to our great empire? I do not wish to worry about minor matters.
I will pay 10,000 silver coins directly to your royal treasury. Just give me the full authority to solve this problem. The decision is completely yours. Do not ask me again. Thank you, my generous king. I will fulfill your noble will. Finally, the absolute power belongs to me. I can write. Every single Jew will perish under this royal seal.
Write the exact date down. The 13th day of the 12th month. Yes, my lord, I am recording every word of your command.
This royal seal makes it absolute. It can never be cancelled.
Pay attention, everyone. This is the brand new decree from our king. Read the instructions carefully and make sure to obey immediately.
Please, may there be mercy upon us and our people. Do not be afraid, my dear child. God will listen to our prayers. I will stay right next to you. Please do not cry.
My heart is completely broken. This enemy is far too strong. We have no human weapons to defend our lives. I put this cold ash on my head to show my deep grief. We have completely run out of options to save ourselves.
Esther, my precious child, you are our only hope now. Hear my loud cries from outside these quiet palace walls. Move away. No one in sackcloth is allowed near the palace. He wears sackcloth and ashes, my queen. He refuses to leave the gate.
What is happening? Why is my father crying outside in the dirt?
This is terrible news. Something very bad must have occurred. Hathach, we must discover the truth behind his sorrow immediately.
Take these clean clothes to him. He must remove the ash.
I will go immediately, my queen, and tell him your words. Please, Mordecai, wear these beautiful clothes. The queen sent them. No, clean clothes cannot save us from this horrible decree. Tell me the whole story. Why are you in such deep sorrow? Haman has paid gold to buy the destruction of all Jews. Give this paper to Esther. She must read every written word. Tell her to go to the king and beg for our lives. I must run as fast as I can. This is urgent. May God protect our young queen and keep her safe.
This decree is terrible. Can this truly be happening?
Yes, my queen. The order has already been officially approved.
How can I help? The king has not called me for 30 days. If I go to him uninvited, the ancient law says I must die.
No one can enter the inner court unless the king gives permission. Only his golden scepter can save a person from sudden death.
The queen is extremely afraid. She cannot enter the court uninvited. She says the risk is far too high for her life. Tell her not to think she can escape in the palace. If she stays completely silent, help will come from elsewhere. This situation is far more serious than it appears. The consequences could affect many lives.
Your father says you must speak up now and save the people.
His words are like a cold wind. He is absolutely correct. I was chosen to protect my people. I will not hide. I must make a very difficult decision now. The pressure is so heavy. My own life is on the line.
Calm down, my queen. God will give you great strength.
I will go and see the king, even if it is against the law. And if I must perish, I will gladly perish.
The queen has locked her doors. No food or drink will enter. Let us begin our deep prayer for her survival.
Please look after our young queen inside the palace today. Give her the perfect words to change the king's mind.
I am praying with all my heart, Grandmother. Do you think the kind queen will hear us?
My body is very weak, but my spirit is ready. Do I look like someone who can stand before the king?
You carry the presence of a true queen. No one could question your grace.
Each step brings me closer to either life or death. I must hold my head high and walk forward now.
The inner court is strictly forbidden today. Keep watch. Wait, someone is approaching the king's golden threshold.
Here I stand, my king. I seek your presence.
Who dares to enter my private court without a call?
It is Queen Esther. Why is she standing there uncalled? She has broken the sacred law. We must prepare to act.
Please hold your weapons. My fate is in the king's hands. I am holding my breath. This is the moment of truth. Heavenly Lord, please direct the king's heart to mercy.
Do not be afraid, my beautiful queen. Your courage has truly touched my royal heart today. Approach my golden throne. I extend my mercy to you.
Thank you, my king. Your favor saves my life. I touch the golden scepter. The ancient rite is complete.
Well done. Now, speak your heart's wish, my queen. This is indeed a wonderful feast. I feel very honored tonight. The food and wine are excellent, Queen Esther.
Please attend another feast tomorrow, and I will share my request.
We will gladly return tomorrow.
I am the only guest invited by the queen. This is amazing. No one in Susa is more important than me now.
He still refuses to bow to me. How dare he stand there? My beautiful mood is completely ruined by this old man.
You will pay for this insult with your life, gatekeeper. I cannot let you live another day in this city. That Jew still refuses to bow. He makes me look like a fool.
Why do you let him ruin your great honor, my husband? Build a massive wooden platform outside, 50 cubits high. Tomorrow morning, ask the king for permission to hang him there.
Why are they building such a tall wooden platform tonight? It looks like the Prime Minister wants to punish someone very high up. I cannot sleep at all tonight. My mind is completely awake. Why does this night feel so long and dark?
Servant, come in here immediately and bring something to read. Bring me the ancient books of Susa history.
I have brought the books of history, Your Majesty. Good. Read it out loud. Perhaps it will help me sleep. Let me open this old page. It tells the story of your palace. Read it clearly.
I am listening to you. 2 palace guards planned to hurt the king, but Mordecai saved him. Wait, did Mordecai really save my life back then? Yes, I remember now. Mordecai saved me from that plot. How did we reward him for such a great deed?
That Jew still refuses to bow. He makes me look like a fool.
Why do you let him ruin your great honor, my husband?
Early today, I will ask the king for Mordecai's execution. Soon, that stubborn gatekeeper will be gone forever. Haman, tell me, how should I honor a man I truly love? A man you love, Your Majesty? I have a great plan. He must be talking about me. Who else is more worthy? I will make sure my honor is absolutely grand today.
Let him wear your royal robe and ride your white horse. Let a noble prince lead him through the city streets.
That is a perfect idea. Go and do exactly as you said. Bring my robe and my horse to Mordecai, the gatekeeper.
Mordecai? The Jew at the gate? Did I hear his name correctly, my king?
The Lord works in very mysterious ways indeed. He lifts up the humble and changes our dark days.
This is the most painful thing I have ever done.
Just follow the king's order, Haman. Walk forward.
This is the worst day of my life. My pride is gone. I will make sure this is my final humiliation.
Welcome to the second feast, my friends. Let us speak.
Thank you, my king. I am ready to listen.
Now tell me, Queen Esther, what is your true request? Even half of my kingdom, I will give it to you.
This is the exact moment my father spoke about. I am ready to tell the king the whole truth.
Please save my life, my king, and spare my entire people. We have been sold to be completely wiped out.
Who is he? Who has dared to do such a terrible thing?
Oh.
Where is the man who planned this dark plot?
The enemy is right here before us, Your Majesty. This wicked man is none other than Haman. You wanted to destroy us all, Haman. Now the truth is out.
I did not know you were one of them, my queen.
I must get some fresh air. This betrayal is too deep to handle. Please hear me, my king. Do not leave me here alone. Queen Esther, please have mercy on my humble soul. Ask the king to spare my life, I beg you.
I cannot.
I am at your feet. Only your kind voice can save me now.
Please release my robe, Haman. This is completely improper.
I am pleading for my life. Have pity on my soul. Do not let the king destroy me in his great anger. Please do not hold me so tightly. I am innocent.
Your face is no longer worthy to be seen by the king.
I cannot see. Please show mercy, my king. Walk forward quietly. Your final judgment has arrived. This cannot be how my great power ends.
Take my royal signet ring, Mordecai. You are now the Prime Minister. I accept this heavy duty, my king. I will serve Susa well.
This golden ring is a symbol of a completely new life. Our people are finally safe from the dark shadow of threat.
Read the new words, my child. The king has allowed us to defend ourselves.
So we do not have to hide anymore, Grandmother? Look at my wooden horse, Grandmother. It can run so fast.
It is wonderful, my child. We can finally live in peace.
The storm has finally passed, and our sky is blue again. Always stand straight, for the light will surely overcome the darkness. You saved our entire nation, Esther. Your bravery was truly amazing.
I only did my duty, Father. God was surely with us.
Our vast empire will always remember this victory of peace. Yes, my king. Justice and truth have won the day.
Bye-bye.
We'll keep sharing simple and meaningful stories to help you learn English, Bible step by step. Like and subscribe and see you next time.